is how we come together, because you can't come as a Muslim, he can't come as a Baptist, she can't come as a Pentecostal, I can't come as a Methodist, because that's division.
Right.
God didn't give us a religion.
Teach.
He gave us laws to abide by to bring us together with one mind, one God, one faith, one Lord. That's it.
Right.
But if you take something down there and they got something on 85th up there, guess what? We divided.
That's right.
We divided. It's confusion. So our wisdom and understanding comes from where? Read it again.
Keep therefore and do them.
Read.
For this is your wisdom and your understanding in the sight of the nations.
So that's why we're poor in spirit, because we've done what? We've wandered. Go back to Proverbs 21:16. The reason why we're spiritually dead is because why? I want you to explain it back to me. What happened to us?
You tell me.
What did we break?
You tell me.